what's up and welcome back. I know this is a welcome back after a long time, but here we are. Aiden is 2.5 years old. And this morning started out like it's Sunday, so it's a chill morning. We did breakfast and I gave Mayang just one work to do today. Like, can you please clean my sandwich maker? And then he took out his toolbox and I was like, what are you gonna do with the toolbox? And he's like, I'm gonna clean the sandwich maker. So he literally opened, like unscrew it and then cleaned it from inside out, like deep clean. And I was like,
are your little things on the edges or gone?
Yeah, they were stuck, but they were all gone now. He did a good job, but it's like if he does something, he just goes so into it that it takes forever, but he does a good job with it. So, but I'm not complaining here.
Or he doesn't do it at all.
Or he doesn't do it at all, yeah.
And since you guys are seeing me after a long time, you remember, those who have been following us for a very long time, remember the good old long hair days?
Yeah.
Going back to those with my little one.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make strawberry cake right now with Aiden. So we're gonna do that together. So let's get into it. Give me the blender so I can put the strawberries in and you can blend it for mommy. Yeah, I don't want to do it, but let me just put the strawberries in. Okay, here you go. Put the strawberry in. Okay, he wants to do everything on his own. He doesn't want any help.
Big one! Big one!
Yeah, big one.
So yummy?
Yeah, so yummy.
Is there more?
More? Here, put this in the
Ready
blender.
for your wing?
More strawberries. Now all done. Good job. Now can mommy blend it?
Okay.
Okay, give me the blender.
So heavy.
So heavy, yeah, I can pick it up. Thank you. Good job.
I need it.
Come on, let's blend it. Come. Here is Marvel. Marvel, hold on. Let everybody see you. Hold on. Hold on. Look. There he is. Here, break the egg. Slowly. Crack it here. Crack one more time. Show. One more. Let me see. Yeah, now break it in here. Good job. Here, give me the shell. All done. Very good boy. One tiny piece of shell. Got it. Now let me wash your hand. Okay?
Where did we decide this?
Egg.
No, we don't need any more eggs, baby. Yes. वहीं पे हाँ.
हमने
दो जगह डिसाइड किए थे हमने. I'm gonna put the strawberry mixture. Wow.
इसमें दो सेटिंग्स हैं, एंट्रीवे सेटिंग और रूम सेटिंग. तो एंट्रीवे सेटिंग में it won't immediately alarm the system. It will give you some time to disarm it.
अच्छा.
हमें तो वो नहीं चाहिए, हमको खुद से ही फोन से disarm करते हैं.
What do you want?
We may don't. It's here. It gets you
Sugar.
Huh? One more sugar.
There you go. Okay.
7 feet हो गए.
Now next.
7 feet. थोड़ा नीचे होगा.
And
7
this
feet and
is
6 inches.
Good. Are you holding it? Ready?
into it.
Yeah. The first one. The first one. Not that one. Not that one. The first one. Hold on. Hold this. Hold it here. Hold it here like this. Yeah.
3, 4, 3, 4. 4 dinners. First food.
For what?
For what?
What do you say?
To what? For what? Well, I'll put it here.
Yeah, we'll put flour right there.
This one?
Papa baby. Papa baby.
Warna और किधर?
I'll put it here. It's heavy.
Very heavy.
वाले से काफी एरिया नीचे का तो कवर हो रहा है.
तो मत लगाओ फिर अभी कुछ भी.
यहाँ पे लगा ही देता हूँ ना.
चलो.
What?
This is baking powder.
Baking powder.
Yeah.
What's the?
It's gonna help it rise.
Done.
And now we add baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
A baking soda. That's your mommy.
No, baking soda as it is not yummy, baby.
That's mommy. Yummy. All done.
Hold on, now we add a little bit of salt to it. This is how the batter looks. It has a very pretty pink color. Irene, does it look pretty? Does the batter look pretty? Say yes.
Yes, yes.
Good job.
Daddy, mommy.
No, it's mommy and Irene in the camera. And I'm using a bundt cake shape and I'm going to grease the pan. I'm just going to grease it.
Bubble gum. Oh no, a whole stem.
Did it work? We're going to pour the batter in here. Don't pull it. Careful, don't pull the tin, okay?
Sorry, Mercy. Yes.
डबल साइड टेप है क्या?
हाँ ढूंढना होगा, एक सेकंड रुक जाओ पे हम.
ठीक है मैं निकाल.
Irene, do you want to smell it? Nice. Good job.
Nice. Good.
All right, now we're gonna bake it and at 325 for like 40 minutes. I'll keep checking on it, and when it's done, I'll show you guys.
Okay.
You wanna have cake? Can you check it's cooked? I don't think it's cooked. He's losing his patience. It's gonna take 30 minutes. Alexa is gonna tell us when it is cooked, okay? She's gonna tell us when it is cooked. Okay? हाँ ठीक है.
Taking back.
Yeah.
My daddy.
Mhm.
Wait.
Come on. Can you show me how you go up by yourself? Uh-oh. Why is Marvel barking? Come on, let's go check.
Enjoy.
Why is he barking, Aiden?
Why is he barking?
Excuse me? Why are you barking? No barking.
Oh,
Pardo!
got you.
Oh, got you!
I found it.
Yeah, you found it.
Open.
What happened? What are you...
A kisses.
Yeah, he giving you kisses. Weather is beautiful out here today, so we are just chilling out in the balcony while Tanya is taking bath and the cake is in the oven.
One.
Yeah, cake is in the oven.
So a bit ready.
Yeah, it will be ready in 20 minutes.
Mommy, 20 minutes.
Yeah, stay here. Mommy knows that already.
Daddy. Mommy, said.
You want me to catch the housefly? There's a little housefly on that carpet right there, and since he has never seen one, he's kind of like running away from it. And go catch it. And you go catch it. It's over there. It doesn't do anything. Yeah. It's over there.
Aww.
See, it's over here.
It's over here.
See. Oh, it's It's sitting on Daddy.
It's in Daddy.
Oh, it's over here.
It's over here. Let me check. Let me check.
What?
Not here.
You have to come down and see. Come. Iron, what are you doing? Are you covering Marvel? I got late. I missed him by a few seconds. He was covering Marvel with the blanket. And Marvel was sitting over there. Alright. Bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Good night. He's going for his afternoon nap. It's 12:30. Yes. Right, so I am making some pohe. I think I've cut my thumb a little bit. Tanya is quickly running some errands and Aiden is actually taking a nap, like you guys saw. So she wanted to quickly run some errands, some groceries and stuff, and I'm making some pohe. And we have dinner at Nitish and Ashley's tonight. Today is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Or I should say, let's be grateful for those who gave their lives for our freedom and the way we are living. So let's always be grateful for these days, these little things to remind us of the value and worth that we have today. So enjoy with your loved ones and remember your loved ones who are not here to enjoy with you. Okay, poha is ready and Marvel is sleeping over there and I'm gonna watch some TV. The non-spicy version for Aiden and the spicy version for Tanya, and I'm gonna eat mine. Alrighty, she's back and she's eating her poha. I'm curious how many of you guys put bhujia on your poha, because we do. And
I learned from him. I used to not do it.
And I mean, in UP they always do that. And she got some swimsuits for Aiden because it's summers. And the cake is ready. So when Aiden wakes up, he will eat his poha and some cake. The cake is so moist. Oh my god, look at that. Oof.
Alright, let's cut a piece. Ooh, looks good.
Wow, look
nice.
at that sponge. Taste test time.
Let me try. Is it like strawberry? Do you feel it?
The sweetness is very good.
Sweetness is perfect. It has a very good strawberry flavor because I put real strawberries. No flavoring or anything, but it's very, very good.
Oh.
I'm sure if you put some whipped cream on it, it'll taste so good. Now I'm gonna go eat some. You can eat it after poha. I'm gonna go watch some TV while Aiden is sleeping, eat my poha, and then evening we are going to go over to Nitish and Ashley's place just for carom, like game night kind of thing. So we'll carry some cake and chutney. We are doing, she's making
Set
dosa and potato, so I'm gonna just make chutney.
But thank you. Do you wanna eat some pohe now?
Oh, thank you.
This is our current situation. Everybody is lazy and having a couch potato time on a long weekend. Aiden, can you show me your popsicle? Is that a dinosaur popsicle? So Tanya made some dino popsicles for him. They are really cool molds. And those are strawberry popsicles homemade. Yeah, dinosaur strawberry popsicles. So we are ready to go out. Aiden, where are we going?
I'll go out.
Yeah, at Tish's place.
This is great.
Yeah, so we are going to meet Alani. Yeah. So we are going at Nitish's place now. And yes, he calls him Tish and Ashley and Alani. And Tanya is taking the cake. And we are taking the chutney that we made, which I will show you here. So we have a coconut chutney here. And that's it. We are gonna play some games there and have dinner and then come back. So for today's vlog, this is it. We're gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay tuned, stay healthy. Bye bye. And say bye. Bye bye.